Okay, so I cannot believe me and Courtney have never seen this part before. We have always seen this part, but oh, there's more to that. There's the other side. And they have it blocked off. But there's these ruins here of probably the old furnace. This is what the old furnace was. Can't believe we missed this before. There's these like little holes and trenches in here. And this is like where the stands are. There was something here before. But it's not anymore. There's a brick. But this is on the other side of the furnace. The things you miss. That actually kind of blows the other side of the proportion. I don't have to get there right now. I could just keep moving. It's kind of cool. There's just like this little cave in here. And the furnace. So yeah, that was on the other side of the furnace. And that's something I've never seen before. Look at like how, though, there's like the furnace and chimney area structure inside of it. I like that. Well, this is gonna go on both channels, but next we're gonna go across to horse area and all that stuff. So I'll see you guys in a minute.